Guys, what happened to January? Oh my gosh, we are here in February and we were just saying Happy New Year a few weeks ago. Well, guys, welcome to February. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sharon, and guys, in today's video, I just want to do a quick check in. Oh my gosh, how did you go with how did your goals that you set up for yourself at the beginning of January, how are you doing with those? It is very, very important to do a quick check-in for yourself month to month to just ensure you're on track on any of your goals that you had set up for yourself. For me, one of my biggest goals for this year was to continue to build on that financial freedom, ensuring of I have an emergency fund, making sure that I'm saving something small after every paycheck, which is my kids and I just came out of a no spend month of January. And guys, we did good. I mean, I can tell you, we never stepped into the door of a restaurant the entire month, not a fast food. We never stopped anywhere to buy food from McDonald's or wherever. We cooked, meal prepped, and ate at home. We never bought anything outside of groceries and just the basic necessities, but that was also um, we ensured that we were just below budget every single week. I would say I probably spent less than $200 in the entire month of January for groceries. And that is how much we were very, very, very intentional about about our spending. And guess what? When I am sitting here in the month of February, at the beginning of February, and I'm looking at my budget, and I'm just like, oh my gosh, look at how much we did in January. And so it gives me the momentum to go and budget again and ensure that I am living below my means. I am looking at where my money is going because next month, in the month of March, we are doing another no spend because we are planning to uh, vacation this coming summer. And when we go on vacation, that is money. And one thing that I've come to realize, my kids will do a no spend if they're gonna have a good vacation. So it really just works very, very well for us. My daughter's birthday next weekend, and she is just like, Mom, I don't care. I just want my one of my friends to just come over and spend the night with me. I don't have to have a party. And I was like, yes, that is just more money for us to save. And so it is all about the little things, guys. And so I want to challenge you as we begin the month of February, guys, please go back and look up what you set up for yourself and ensure that if you backtracked, then you need to fix it. You need to fix it as you go into the month of February. And that is all about how you actually stay on track with your goals. Sometimes you're going to be just fine. And then sometimes you'll find yourself, oh, you slipped, and you just need to go back and get back on track. Okay. Whether you set a goal for yourself to lose weight, to eat healthy, financial goals, please go back and look at those goals. And I encourage you to continue to do it. If you did good, continue to build on that. If you did not do so good, again, then it's time to fix it so that by the end of the year, we're going to have a successful 2025. You know that, right? So that is my encouragement for you as we begin this month of February. Continue to tune into my YouTube videos every Friday. I am so sorry that I didn't have a video this last week. So I wasn't feeling too good, and just work is just too much, and I didn't find enough time to do it. So I will definitely have something for you guys coming up this next week. Until then, guys, peace.